greatest opportunity.
My name is Ahana Rao.
My name is Shreya Desikan.
My name is Mami Bhatia.
We would now like to invite Sarah again to say a few words.
The next group is our Vadya Vrinda group. If we can all line up so we can save time. And I would also request Johnny, after Delisundarajan sir's comments, please come over so we can get the mics ready for the next violin performance. Sir, over to you.
First of all, a big round of applause for them. The teacher, Madhura Shankar, Shriya Desikan, Harichandana Hosur, Ahana Rao, Ananya Rao, Amrit Addanki, Abhinav Venkatraman, the violin supported by Manu Vajha and Narayan Srinivas. Wonderful presentation. Again, all the compositions of today's presentation by everyone, very, very classical ragas. The ragas like Riti Gauda, which you have chosen, is, there are some ragas, of course, all ragas are great, all compositions are wonderful. Can we name, if you were to name one composition of Tyagaraja, which is great, everything is great, no? Because, like I said yesterday, Tyagaraja was not a mere composer. It's not, I don't feel that it is the right thing to call him a composer. He has transcended everything. He was a yogi, he was a muni, and he was knowledgeable in so many things, right from the very early age in his home. His father was an authority in Sanskrit and all Puranas, Vedas, scriptures and everything. So at the very young age, he was able to assimilate the knowledge of everything, and automatically it came as prayer, as song. This outpouring of bhakti took the form of these compositions. He never sat and with a paper and composed something. Oh, this line is okay or not okay. So it just came, and so many compositions, out of which around 675 or some that kind of number we have. So in this beautiful song, Abdilo Munigi Shwasam Nupatti Ani Mutyamu Kannatlaye Sri Ramana. So, as if you are a diver in the ocean, who's holding his breath for a long time. It's such a difficult thing to do. And then he suddenly finds rare pearls. So it is like that. It is like finding a Rama. So it's like having found Rama is like a rare treasure or a pearl from the ocean. And he says that I cannot even bear a moment of separation. So the same thing is also highlighted in Bhagavad Gita. So they say in the Gita, Krishna's teachings, having attained the highest, one seeks nothing else. What more do you want when you have Rama? So Tyagaraja has in many compositions said that don't go and search anywhere else. Rama is there, right inside it. Even in Chakani Raja, which we sang yesterday. Tyagaraja intane baga nelakonna Adidevuni. So he says that Rama is in Tyagaraja's Hridaya. So he doesn't say he's there. He is deeply rooted. See, look at the choice of words which the composer uses. So these are the great things. He just did not say, oh, your Rama is there in your heart, be happy. No. Deeply rooted inside your heart, he says, Ikakavada Siddhadevi O Manasa, Akhilanda Koti Brahmanda Nathudu, Antarangamuna Nelakuni Undaga Ikakavada Siddhadevi Manasa. He says in another song, in the Ragam Balahamsa, so it's a rare Ragam. So, you in your heart, in your Hridaya Sadhana, you have this great power which controls everything. You don't need to go and look for anything else. That being the case, why are you not happy? What else do you want? You have the ultimate inside you. What else do you want? So these are the beautiful expressions which Tyagaraja conveys mostly and in all the songs. And same kind of very well chosen theme also by this group. And Nagamomo Galalin. So he laments that the loss of seeing the smiling grace of the great Lord is very difficult for him. So he says, even in Bhagavad Gita, without the connection to the divine, there can be no peace or no happiness. So, without his grace, there is no joy. And that is what the Gita also says. Without the inner connection, there is no peace. So these are some of the beautiful ideas enshrined in this composition, which reflects the great teachings of Bhagavad Gita. So very, very happy to be here. Enjoyed the presentation by this group. Another big round of applause for them.